Ever experienced puffiness around your eyes, unexplained fatigue, or the need to urinate more frequently? These could be signs your kidneys are asking for some extra attention. These incredible organs silently work in the background, filtering waste and keeping our bodies in balance. But what if there were natural ways to support their vital functions? In this video, we will explore some miracle herbs for kidney health and see if they can truly live up to the name. Number 1. Dandelion Root. So you've probably seen those fluffy little dandelions growing in your yard, right? Well, it turns out they're not just weeds. Dandelion root has been used for centuries to help with all sorts of things, including cleansing the kidneys. One of the key things dandelion root does is act as a diuretic. That's just a fancy way of saying it helps you pee more. And when you pee more, it can help flush out toxins and waste from your kidneys. Unlike some diuretics that flush out potassium along with the fluids, dandelion root maintains a good balance of potassium. Why does this matter? Because your kidneys need potassium to function properly. Dandelion root keeps that balance in check. Number 2. Stinging nettle. Don't let its prickly reputation scare you away, because inside those stinging leaves lies a powerhouse of goodness for your kidneys. Stinging nettle contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Simply put, it helps fight the bad stuff that can harm your kidneys. Studies have shown that stinging nettle reduces inflammation in the kidneys, which is super important for keeping them in perfect shape. When your kidneys get inflamed, they can't do their job so well, which can lead to all sorts of issues. Plus, a stinging nettle is like a sponge for toxins. It traps harmful substances in your body and escorts them out when you pee. To use it, put dried nettle leaves in hot water for a few minutes, and you've got yourself a soothing and nourishing beverage for your kidneys. Number 3. Marshmallow Root. Kidney stones are like tiny rocks that form in your kidneys when certain substances in your pee become too concentrated. They can cause serious pain and discomfort. But don't worry, because marshmallow root swoops in like a superhero to save the day. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a slippery substance that coats and soothes irritated tissues. When kidney stones start causing trouble, marshmallow root steps in to calm the inflammation and help them slide out more easily. And guess what? Science backs it up. Studies have shown that marshmallow roots reduce the size of kidney stones and even prevent new ones from forming. Now that's what I call impressive. And let's clear something up right away. We're not talking about those fluffy, sugary treats you roast over a campfire. Nope, we're talking about the real deal here, the marshmallow root. Number 4. Milk thistle. Milk thistle contains a compound called silymarin, which is like a superhero for your kidneys. Silymarin has this amazing ability to protect and regenerate kidney cells. One way silymarin does this is by stimulating the production of new, healthy cells to replace the damaged ones. It acts as a sort of catalyst, stimulating the process of cellular renewal in your kidneys. Silymarin also acts as an antioxidant, which means it helps to neutralize harmful molecules that could cause damage to your kidneys. By getting rid of these harmful substances, silymarin creates a better environment for your kidneys to heal and regenerate. Now, how do you get this goodness into your diet? You can toss fresh milk thistle leaves into salads or soups, blend them into smoothies, or make some tea. And taste-wise, well, it's kind of like a mild, nutty flavor that plays well with a variety of dishes. Number 5. Juniper Berry. UTIs, or urinary tract infections, typically start in the urethra or the bladder and can work their way up to the kidneys if left untreated. When bacteria reach the kidneys, they can cause inflammation and infection, known as pyelonephritis. They can impair the kidney's ability to filter waste and fluids properly, leading to issues like decreased urine production or even kidney failure in severe cases. Juniper berries contain compounds that have powerful antimicrobial properties. These compounds act like warriors, battling against the bacteria that cause UTIs. By killing off those annoying microbes, juniper berries prevent UTIs before they can cause trouble in your kidneys. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 6. Uva ursi. It is an herb that has been used for ages to help with kidney cleansing. How does it work? Well, uva ursi contains compounds called arbutin. When you consume it, your body converts arbutin into another compound called hydroquinone. This hydroquinone has antibacterial properties, which means it can fight bacteria that might be causing trouble in your urinary tract. But that's not all. Uva ursi also has diuretic properties, meaning it helps you pee more. And as we learned earlier, peeing more helps your kidneys to get rid of toxins and waste, maintaining their delicate balance. So how do you use uva ursi? You can find it in various forms, like teas, tinctures, or capsules. So brew yourself a nice cup of uva ursi tea, sip it, and let it work its magic on your kidneys. Number 7. Parsley. Parsley is full of compounds like flavonoids and antioxidants. These little guys are like the bodyguards of your kidneys, protecting them from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. But that's not all. Parsley also contains something called chlorophyll, which gives it that vibrant green color. Chlorophyll has this awesome ability to bind to heavy metals in your body, like lead and mercury, and escort them out when you pee. And the best part is, parsley is super versatile. You can sprinkle it on salads, add it to soups and stews, blend it into smoothies, or even make a tasty parsley pesto. The possibilities are endless. Number 8. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow throughout your body. And guess what? Better blood flow means happier kidneys. When those little bean-shaped buddies of yours get more oxygen and nutrients, they can work more efficiently, flushing out toxins and waste. Now onto the science stuff. Studies have shown that ginkgo biloba can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Inflammation is like the enemy of healthy kidneys, causing all sorts of trouble, like reduced function and even damage. And here's a little fun fact. Did you know ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest living tree species on the planet? This ancient herb has been around for over 200 million years, surviving ice ages and dinosaur roars, and now it's here to help your kidneys thrive. Number 9. Goldenrod. Goldenrod has anti-inflammatory properties. Remember how we talked about inflammation being the enemy of healthy kidneys? Goldenrod swoops in and fights that inflammation, keeping your kidneys in perfect shape. Now let's get a bit sciencey. Studies have actually shown that goldenrod reduces inflammation and protects kidney cells from damage. It's like giving your kidneys a shield to fight any bad stuff that comes their way. So how do you get this golden goodness into your life? You can brew goldenrod tea just like you would with other herbs. Or you can find goldenrod supplements if you're not into the whole tea scene. Number 10. Celery seeds. Celery seeds reduce the formation of kidney stones. You know, those tiny rocks that can cause a world of pain? Celery seeds contain compounds that prevent those little buggers from forming in the first place. Plus, they can also help break down existing kidney stones, making them easier to pass. Celery seeds are also blood pressure buddies. High blood pressure can put a lot of strain on your kidneys, making it harder for them to do their job. But celery seeds contain compounds that lower blood pressure naturally, easing the burden on your kidneys and allowing them to function at their best. So whether you sprinkle them on your meals, blend them into smoothies, or munch on them as a snack, these little seeds are sure to make a big difference. Number 11. Astralis. This herb has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, especially in Chinese herbal remedies. It works by boosting your immune system and fighting harmful invaders, keeping your kidneys strong and resilient against infections and diseases. Also, a study in the Journal of Chinese Medicine found that astragalus improves kidney function and reduces proteinuria, an excess protein in urine, in patients with a kidney disease called nephropathy. It works by reducing inflammation and protecting the kidneys. Now let's talk about the taste of astragalus. It has a subtle, earthy flavor with a hint of sweetness. It's not overpowering at all, making it super easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can add it to your morning tea or coffee for a gentle boost, or sprinkle it over your favorite dishes like soups, stews, or even salads. Number 12. Horsetail. Now, before you imagine feeding your kidneys the actual tails of horses, let's clear that up. Horsetail is not derived from horses. It is an ancient herb that has been around for ages and supports kidney health. Inside horsetail are things like silica and saponins, which are great for your kidneys. Silica is like the building blocks for healthy tissues, including your kidneys. It strengthens and repairs them, keeping your kidneys functioning at their best. Plus, silica can also prevent the formation of kidney stones by discouraging the buildup of minerals that lead to their formation. Saponins, on the other hand, are natural compounds known for their diuretic properties. They work by increasing urine production and flushing out toxins and waste from the kidneys. This diuretic action of saponins in horsetail helps to cleanse the kidneys and promote their detoxification process. So there you have it, nature's pharmacy packed with remedies to keep your kidneys happy and healthy. From the humble dandelion root to the ancient horsetail, these herbs are the real-life superheroes for your kidneys. But let's not stop there. Alongside incorporating these incredible herbs into your routine, remember the power of hydration, exercise, and a balanced diet. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys flush out toxins, while staying active promotes healthy blood flow to these essential organs. And don't forget the importance of regular checkups with your healthcare provider. So why wait? Start your journey to kidney wellness today by embracing the healing power of nature and adopting healthy lifestyle habits. Your kidneys will thank you for it, and you will be amazed at how good you will feel from the inside out. Let's celebrate our amazing kidneys and keep them healthy for a long, long time. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!